Hello, welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie, and today I want to look through the Pepper Thai Cookbook. This is by Pepper Teigen. I know in spring I was really excited about this cookbook. I just didn't get it right away because I have a really good Thai cookbook at home, and I just wanted to look through it before I actually went out and bought it. So this is the first time I'm going to look through it. I'm going to do it with you guys, so this will be just as much of a surprise. So let's just dive right in. So, already it's very bright, very colorful. I really like that. It's just really fun. I mean, the design is just so insane, like your eyes just immediately go to everything. So, here we go. Table of contents. So there's quite a few recipes in here. There's always snacking, salads but not boring, grandma's specialties, eat your veggies, feeling fancy, back home in Korat, queen of leftovers, I love my wok, curries and stews, a little dessert, and Pepper's pantry. Oh, I'm surprised it's in the back, and I'm seeing there's an ingredient guide and common substitutions at the end of the book too. I really like that. She's already being really mindful of, I have celiac, so I need gluten-free substitutes, but like vegans and vegetarians, that's going to be something really important. She has like all of these beautiful photos of her family, and I just really think that's really special. Yeah, this is just really cute. So let's look at some of the actual recipes. This is the always snacking portion of the cookbook. So we've got beef jerky. My husband would die if he saw this. I might have to make this weekend. This looks awesome. Let's see, we've got famous spring rolls. Oh, wow. I can hear that. Like, can't you guys when you're looking at the photo? We have crispy chicken wings. This is cute. This is Chrissy Teigen, obviously. Chrissy has a cookbook coming out too soon, actually. These look fun. This is a Scotch eggs. So it looks like her cookbook, or this isn't exclusively Thai. It looks like there's a lot of fusion foods in here, which is really fun. So for this recipe, I know this is like a snacking thing. She has quite a lengthy explanation for it, just kind of where it comes from, the history, and then the way she's divided up the recipe is really nice. So it goes into each part of the recipe. We have servings, how to put it together and assemble it, but then the actual recipe itself, it's kind of an ordeal. This is a lot of instructions. This is just for this particular recipe though. I like these notes at the very bottom here. It talks about kind of where she likes to get her ingredients. So this particular recipe, she talks about tamarind paste and the brand that she likes. So I'm really glad she gives us helpful tips. I just learned that different fish sauce tastes differently, so if you want Vietnamese versus Thai, that's something to keep in mind. So just a little tip for you. So let's keep looking through this a little bit. Oh wow, okay, so this is a cute picture of Pepper and Chrissy. So we've got Pad Thai Brussels sprouts. Okay, so this must be the not so boring salad recipes. Let's see what else we've got. Back home in Korat. Now, this looks amazing. All the spices and pepper. Yum. Thai barbecue pork. We also have turkey grapao. This looks really good. And it, even though it looks like a lot, I think she's got these amazing stories all throughout the book, so it's kind of a fun read. But then the recipes really aren't too bad to put together, so they're fairly easy. Mu Ping. So these are these awesome, delicious skewers. Let's move on a little further. Ooh, Pod Mama. This looks good. It's like a ramen recipe almost. Well, dried ramen. Let's see. Chicken larb. This is actually one of the first chicken larbs that have made me want to actually make it. I have a hard time with it because it's usually just a bunch of ground meat, but this looks really good. So we have miso egg drop soup. Again, kind of getting into that fusion foods. Non-prick moo, sloppy joes. Wow, this looks awesome. These are fun. Stir-fried spaghetti with chili jam and sun-dried tomatoes. That would be a fun one. Let's see if I can find some other, she has some of the traditional recipes, so you've got like duck red curry with squash. Duck not so much, but you know, this is the red curry. So you've got a mix of fusion, traditional, you know, just it's really quite cool and just unique recipes. Thai bread pudding. It's not lunchtime yet. I'm dying. Buttery roti bread. This fun. This is so cool. Let's see. We've got, I want to see more desserts because that's just who I am. Sweet dark soy sauce. So that's nice that she's given us that. This looks like kind of your alternatives and your traditional. Ooh, okay. Here we go. Here's the desserts. Coconut sticky rice with mango. It's sweet and salty. Super good. And I'll show you guys one more because this is a treat and I haven't seen any of this either. Pineapple soft served with spicy candied coconut. This looks really good. I wish I got this before summer was ending. It's so cold now that I'm kind of like, oh, I don't know. But Thai food in general would be awesome. This is a really awesome cookbook. I think that any of us would enjoy this. If you're not familiar with Thai food, I think this would just be really easy to transition into it. You get to see some of your favorite, you know, like sloppy joes or spaghetti kind of in a Thai form. That's really fun and really, really unique. This is just something I haven't seen before. So definitely check out the Pepper Thai Cookbook by Pepper Teigen. I think this is going to definitely be worth putting on my cookbook shelf. I'm going to have to get it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to review us and subscribe. We want to know what kind of cookbooks you guys enjoy and what you want to see us review or look through, and even kinds of cookbooks. So what are your favorite cookbooks? Let us know. We want to know. So also we have other cookbook content. You can come join us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. We even do a blog and a podcast. We do so much. So join us every Friday for our cookbook roundups on our podcast at Cookbook Divas, and just check out our blog at cookbookdivas.com for extra content. We love to show you guys brand new, vintage, awesome cookbooks. So thank you guys again for watching and happy cooking.